a very good morning. So, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, today I am going to teach you on the picture words topic, that is in the kitchen. Can you see here oven, refrigerator, wash basin, and many other things? This is the kitchen. Gas stove on which your mummy cooks food. So repeat with me, gas stove. GASSTOVE, gas stove. See, these are some utensils. Gas lighter. Your mummy ons the gas with the help of gas lighter. Repeat with me. GAS, gas. LIGHTER, lighter. Gas lighter. Teapot. Teapot is used to pour tea. Your mummy makes tea to your father, for your father, right? So your mummy puts tea in the teapot and then serve very hot. Strainer. Your mummy makes tea, right? But after making tea, your mummy strains it and then give the tea to your father. So strainer, this is strainer. STRAINER, strainer. Jug. Your mummy fills the water in the jug, right? So this is jug. JUG, jug. Apron. Your mummy's clothes might get dirty while making food, right? So your mummy might be wearing apron to secure the clothes. Apron. Repeat with me. APRON, apron. Glass. You drink glass of water every day. So the water you drink is in the glass, right? Glass. GLASS, glass. Napkin. To clean any plate or something, your mummy used napkin in the kitchen. So napkin. NAPKIN. What it is? Napkin. Mug. To have hot coffee or hot milk, your father or you might use mug. MUG, that is mug. Pan. To fry something, your mummy use pan. PAN, that is shallow fry. Oven. To bake cake or to bake biscuits, pizza, pastry, and many other. Oven is used. That is also a type of gas, but it is not a gas, it is an oven. So repeat with me. Oven. OVEN, oven. Refrigerator. Refrigerator is fridge. You have fridge in your home, students, right? In that we keep milk, sauce, vegetables, fruit, juice, ice cream, and many other things that is used to store cold items to keep the food fresh. So refrigerator. Repeat with me. REFRIGERATOR, refrigerator. 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 refrigerator pressure cooker to boil potatoes or to make rice, dal, and any other. Your mummy used pressure cooker because it cooks the food fast. Mixer grinder. Mixer grinder is used to grind something and make it very small. For example, your mummy might put tomato and onion in the sabji, right? To make its sabji, your mummy makes onion and tomatoes paste. So to make that paste, mixer and grinder is used. Okay? To make the particles small. So repeat with me. Mixer. M-I-X-E-R. Mixer. Grinder. G-R-I-N-D-E-R. Grinder. Mixer. Grinder. Dustpan. When your mummy cleans the home with the broom, so to collect the dirt which is there on the floor, dustpan is used. Okay, so repeat with me. Dustpan. D-U-S-T. Dust. P-A-N. Pan. Dustpan. Broom. Mummy cleans the floor with the broom. B-R-O-O-M. Broom. Floor more clean, your mummy mops the floor. She takes water and some detergent liquid, put in the water and clean the floor so that the germs goes, right? This is mop. M-O-P. Mop. Flask. To store hot milk or hot tea or hot coffee or hot water, flask is used. Okay? Repeat with me. F-L-A-S-K. Flask. Rolling pin, or we say roller. To make chapatis in circle, your mummy uses rolling pin or roller. Repeat with me. R-O-L-L-I-N-G. Rolling pin. P-I-N. Pin. Rolling board. So your mummy makes chapati with the roller pin, but on the rolling board. So this is the board where your mummy makes chapati on it. So repeat with me. R-O-L-L-I-N-G. Rolling board. B-O-A-R-D. Board. Knife. Students, never play with knife. It is not for you. It is for your mummies who make food. Okay? Knife is a very sharp pointed object. It is used to cut vegetables, fruits and many others. So you will not touch the knife at all. So repeat with me. K-N-I-F-E. Knife. Here the K is silent. Spoon. You eat rice and dal or pulao or something other, ice cream or anything with the spoon, right? So this is spoon. S-P-P-O-N. Spoon. Fork. You might eat Maggi or pasta, which you should not eat. It is unhealthy food. So you eat that with the fork, right? So this is also a pointed object. Please do not play with it. Fork. F-O-R-K. Fork. plate. 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 You eat your food in the plate. Your mummy puts food in the plate, right? So this is plate. Utensils. See, there are many utensils here. There are kadhai, plates, glass, spoons, and many others. So these are utensils. Water filter. You drink water, right? So before drinking water, it should be filtered because the germs should not be there. So do you have a filter in your home that filters the germs and then you drink? Okay, water filter is very important because you should drink filtered water only. So repeat with me, water filter. WATER, water. FILTER, filter, water filter. So this was about the kitchen's things. Okay, you will go to the kitchen and tell your mummy to tell and explain me all the things which are there in the kitchen. Okay, do not forget to comment your name in the comment box, and whenever I give any homework, please complete it in the time, students. Okay, thank you, take care, bye bye.